Hello students, from this video we are going to start the new series of campus questions which is about decision making and branching statements of C language. In this video we will see the questions related to if statement which are frequently asked in campus exams. Each question in this video will explain different versions of if statement, so don't miss any question and watch this video till end. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also be benefited. If you have missed my last videos which are about the data types, operators and other topics of C language, you can click on above I button or go through the description box for the links of other videos. If you still haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe so that I can help you to crack the campus. So let's move towards our questions. So this is our question number 1. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So let us see this program statement by statement. So firstly, in this statement, two integer variables are declared, that are a and b, and they are initialized with the values a equals to 30 and b is equals to 40. So if you see this if else statement, it seems to be very simple if else. So many of you are thinking that firstly this condition will be solved, that is the condition will be 30 equals to 40, so condition will become false and control will be transferred after else and this message will be displayed. But this is not so. If you minutely observe this if else statement, then you might be observing that there is semicolon after this if statement, and we know that in C language every statement is terminated with semicolon. That means semicolon is treated as the end of the statement. So therefore with this semicolon this if statement will be terminated, and therefore this else statement will not be having any matching if statement for that. So hence this statement will generate an error like misplaced else. So hence after executing this complete program, the compiler will generate an error. So hence the correct option for this program is option C, that is compiler error. So let's have a look at our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So let us see what output this program will generate. So firstly consider the statement, first statement, which is a if statement. So we know that while executing the if statement, firstly condition will be solved. So therefore whatever condition in brackets will be solved first. And in this if statement, the condition is printf in double quotation there is hello not equals to 5. So here this condition is fair because you can use the printf function in condition also. So let us see how this condition will be executed or will be evaluated. So firstly this printf function will be executed. So that means this hello will be displayed on the screen first. And we know that printf function not only prints the string but it also returns the integer value which will be equals to number of characters it is printing. So this printf is printing 5 characters. So therefore after printing hello on the screen it will return value 5. So then the condition now becomes 5 not equals to 5. So 5 not equals to 5, condition is false. So As condition is false, control will be transferred after else statement, and the statement after else will be executed. So hence this statement will be executed, because of which a message good night will be displayed. So hence the complete output for this program will be, firstly hello will be displayed, and after that good night will be displayed. So hence the correct option for this program is option B. So let us see our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So let us see this program. So firstly here in this program, integer variable x is declared and it is initialized with the value 400, and the other two variables y and z are also declared as the integer type of variables. The next statement here is the if statement, and the condition here is x greater than equals to 500. So value of x is 400 here. So hence the condition becomes 400 greater than equals to 500. So which will be evaluated to false. So hence, as this condition is false, statement after if will not be executed. So that means this statement will not be executed, and hence after evaluating this condition, control will be directly transferred to the next statement after if statement. So that means this statement will be executed, and with this z is assigned with the value 300. Then in the next statement, values of y and z will be displayed. So what is the value of y here? So as you can see here, value of y is not initialized in this program. Y will not be assigned to any value with this program, because this statement will not be going to be executed. So hence, as y is not assigned to any value, y will be equals to garbage value. So hence with this, garbage value will be displayed, and after that value of z will be displayed. So value of z is here 300. So hence 300 will be displayed with this printf function. So hence the complete output for this printf function is garbage, and after that 300 will be displayed. So hence the correct option for this program is option A. So this is our question number 4. What will be the output of following program? So you have to tell the output of this program. Here I suggest you to pause the video for some time and try to guess the output of this program, since this is a very simple program. So let us see what output this program will generate. So here a integer variable I is declared and it is initialized with the value 97. The next statement declares a character variable j and it is initialized with the single character constant small a. And the next statement in this program is a if statement where the condition is I equals to j. So here I is integer variable and j is character variable, and both the variables are compared with the equal to operator. So while evaluating this expression, we know that every character variable has its associated ASCII integer value. So here the character variable is j, which is equals to small a, and the ASCII value corresponding to the small a is 97. So hence this will be converted to integer value, and the condition becomes 97 equal to 97. So 97 equals to 97 will evaluates to true. So hence the statement after if will be executed. So this statement will be executed. So with this statement the output will be electronics. So hence the output for this program is electronics. So this is our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So if you minutely observe this program, it seems to be very confusing. You must be attentive while solving such kinds of questions in campus exams. So here you are noticing that the condition here is not a relational expression, or it is not a logical expression which will be evaluated to either true or false, but it contains the assignment statement. So most of you might be thinking that there is an error in this program, but there is no error in this program. You can use the assignment statement like this in if condition also. So how this will be going to be evaluated? This is an assignment statement, so hence we know that in assignment statement right hand side variable will be stored in left hand side variable. So value of j, that is 10 will be stored in variable I, and hence the value of this expression will be equals to 10. And this condition, this value in brackets will be equals to 10, and we know that any non-zero integer value is treated as a true value. So hence this condition will becomes true, and hence the statement after if will be executed, that is this statement will be executed, and because of this the output will be C is fun. So hence the correct option for this program is option A. Let's have a look at our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, a integer variable a is declared and it is initialized with the value 1. The next statement here is the if statement, where the condition is a minus minus equals to 0. So here the operator uses postfix decrement operator, and in postfix operator we know that value of variable will be assigned first and after that it will be decremented. So hence a will be used as it is here. So the condition becomes 1 equals to 0. So after evaluating this equation, so value of a will be decremented. So while evaluating this, 1 will be placed here, so 1 equals to 0. So condition becomes false, and hence control will be transferred after else, and this statement will be executed. So hence the output with this printf function is false. So hence the correct option from these options are option B. So this is our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, a float variable a is declared and it is initialized with the value 10.5. The next statement here is the if statement, where condition is size of a equal to size of 10.5. So here in this condition size of operator is used, and we know that size of operator returns the memory size required to store the operand. So here the size of a, so operand here is a float, so therefore size of float will be returned with this operator. So hence this will return suppose 4. It may differ in compilers also, but let us consider that size of float is now equals to 4. So this will be equals to 4 equal to size of 10.5. So here 10.5 is a real constant, and by default real constant is considered as of type double. So hence size of 10.5 will return the size of double data type, so which can be equals to 8 in many of the compilers. So hence the condition becomes 4 equals to 8. So 4 equal to 8 condition becomes false, and hence control will be transferred after else, and this statement will be executed. So hence with this statement output will be not matched. So hence the correct option here is option B. This is our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So let us see what output this program will generate. So after minutely observing this program, you might be noticing that in this if statement there is no opening and closing braces. If you want to execute two statements according to condition, then you must place opening brace here and the closing brace here. And if there are no opening and closing braces, then only one statement after the if statement will be considered, and hence this if statement will be terminated with this statement only. And hence while compiling this program, this else statement will not be getting its corresponding if statement, because this if is terminated with this statement. So hence this else is not having its corresponding if statement, and hence while compiling this program, this statement will generate an error like misplaced else. So hence the correct option for this program is option C. So this is all for now. In next video we will be coming up with new questions. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.